Hello everybody, and today I show the Xiaomi screwdriver, and this is new product, and the quality is very good, and the price is not high. So, this is why I recommend it to you, and it's still very well in China and on AliExpress. And we have a store on AliExpress. So if you want to buy this product, you can go to my store to buy the product. And you know Xiaomi brand. Xiaomi is a company, China Apple. Yes. So many people like Xiaomi because the product is good and the price is low. But Apple, Apple is a very big company in whole of the world, and the iPhone is very popular, but the price is very high. But Xiaomi bring many good products to the customers and give a very good price, and many products is very make your life more easy. Yes, like this product. Box, its package is very good, and look like a power bank, right? A power bank. But I will open it. Wait, someone coming. Okay. And it look nice. Wow. It's very like a power bank, right? Wow. This metal. Look. And press here. It out. Press. Okay. You check it. It feel all your work, and the quality is very good. Okay. Good. So this is really a fantastic product, and I love it, and I will use this product for myself. So if you want to buy this product, just don't forget to contact me, and we have leave the store link below the videos. And if you want to buy the product, you can click the link and go to my AliExpress store and buy the product. Thank you so much for watching the video.